Have you ever wanted to confirm if your tire treads are actually legal or not, or you want to see if you need to get new tires or not? That's where these tire tread depth gauge come in. They come in a pack of 2 and allows you to check your tires and see if you actually need to replace them or not. So got our tires here, and what I like to do is check 3 points on the tire. Check the inside, the middle, and the outside, depending on how your tire is going to be wearing. Put it in, push it down, and it looks like we have 6:30 seconds. So we're on the cusp of almost getting to the point where we may need to start looking at getting new tires in the next 3 or 4 months. So check the middle, make sure we've got even wear, a little bit lower, but about 5, and on the inside, about the same, 5:30 seconds. We're checking our tire. Oh yeah, 6:30 seconds, 5, 5. So you ever wondered how much tread you have left on your tires, or if you just want to make sure that the shop that said you need new tires is telling you the truth, I'd highly recommend you get a set of these tire gauges. Come in a set of 2, so you can leave one in your car, one at your house, so you always have it. Comes with a clip here so you can hook it on, but I'd highly recommend you get a set of these so you can always tell when you need to get your tires changed.